Hey sewers, listen up if you want to save some time and money because you can buy bigger cones of thread for your sewing machine or your embroidery machines that aren't industrial. Well then, I want to introduce you to my new friend, the metal thread stand. It comes in a box just like this without instructions, but there's 4 pieces and I'm going to show you how to put them together. The 2 longer straight pieces just screw together in the center, creating that long rod that has a hook on top, and it screws into the back of the metal stand from the top of the base, and the base is quite heavy and well made, so you don't feel like it's going to break or fall over when you're sewing with it. And there is a nut at the base of that rod that you can tighten to keep that rod in place, and there's that little arm, that small piece that has a thread just at the bottom, and you screw that into the center, and that's where your cone of thread will sit. It will sit nicely there, all sorts of sizes. So once assembled, is a heavy-duty thread stand, and you thread the machine as you usually would with your thread stand at the back or at the side. Run your thread up from the spool through that hook on the rod, and then just thread as usual. So it's going to save you lots of time because you're not changing your thread and running out in the middle of a job like on the smaller spools of thread. And I'm going to show you how nicely it looks. It works great with straight stitches or fancy stitches, and that small box is showing the thread coming off of the large spool of thread without any problems. And these spools seem to last forever too, especially those colors that you might not use that often, but it's nice to have them on hand. And look at those stitches. They're perfect. It's such a useful tool for my studio. I really recommend it.